Who's your new pet, bud?
I'm gonna name him Gary.
Gary.
I found him in the garage.
I do not know. I mean, he looks pretty young. I definitely don't think that that's a flyable bird. Well, I don't know. Maybe it can.
Kinda is, because he jumped out of my hand.
I bet he hit a window and like knocked himself out, and he's a little kind of
woozy,
confused, and oh, poor little guy. Yeah, because his one eye's like closed. Sorry, bud. And only one eye's opening right now. Oh, bud.
That one opened earlier.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's closed right now.
See, now they're both open.
Hey, buddy.
Now I just closed it again. Maybe it's just sore.
I don't know. Yeah, like I say, he probably clocked himself. Now, take me with you. Take me to Florida. Oh.
Is he inside my hoodie?
No, he's on the back. That's amazing. Holy cow, his legs are teeny. They're so little.
Oh. We are here in my mom's house today because we are replacing the washer and dryer. Now, when you look at these washing and drying machines, you may ask yourself, is this the before or the after? Because I'm looking right up close at these machines and I'm sorry, are these brand new? Are these the new machines? Nay, I say nay. These are not new. These are 30 years old. These are 30-year-old machines. Look how immaculate. And you would think, well, oh my gosh, these have been sitting in some place that haven't been used. No, these were used day in, day out. These things have seen some things. They've seen some things, they've washed some things, they've dried some things, they've seen things, okay? But you would never know it. You would never know it. And this is very standard for anything that my parents own. It's just immaculate. And it makes me laugh because I moved into my parents' house and the first thing that breaks down is my mom's washer. And I'm like, no, what am I gonna do? No, sorry, it was the dryer. So we've had the repair guy out. Then it breaks again, had the repair guy out. And here we are with the dryer broken again. And I finally said, Mom, I am sorry, but I think we need to do new washing and drying machines. And she was like, I completely understand. She's like, just say goodbye to the old machines for me. So here I am saying goodbye to the 30-year-old machines that have lasted her so well. She treated them well, they treated her well. The washer also isn't really washing very well. So I noticed and maybe it was a combination of, no, it wasn't. I'm not going to make excuses. Clothes coming out of it, they don't smell as fresh as they could. And I didn't really notice it until I had been washing my clothes here at my mom's house. And then we moved into my house. I used my brand new Speed Queens and I'm like, the laundry is laundering. Okay. The laundry is smelling so much more fresh than it did. And I just thought, I know my mom loves these machines. She's going to love her laundry more if she just gets some new machines. Listen, I can't replace my mom's machines with anything less than superior product only. And so I had to give my machines a good trial run. I have been washing and drying and utilizing my new Speed Queens. And I just thought these are the ones that my mom needs. Now here's the thing, full circle here. When I was moving into my house, I said, Mom, what would be the very best washing and drying machine? What would be the best brand? And she's like, you need Speed Queens. She's like, if I don't think she ever thought she was going to have to replace her machines, but she said, if I ever have to replace my machines, I'm going to do commercial grade Speed Queen. So yes, I trusted my mom's opinion, but then I asked all of you guys and I was like, what machines are we using these days? What are we doing? Everyone in the comments were like, yeah, Speed Queen. And truth be told, I didn't want uprights. Let's say goodbye. Doesn't matter. The uprights are where it's at. So let's bring in the new machines, okay? I ordered my parents' machines from the same place that I got mine, which is Appliances Connection. Super great website, has tons and tons of different brands, all the appliances you could think of. So that's where I got these from. I will make sure to put a link because if you are looking for appliances, this is a great website.
I'm gonna go out and Dad's gonna use the leaf blower too. So he can blow all the dust out with a leaf blower inside a dryer tube, and I'm gonna screen through it and he'll know when. I don't know where it is, but it's somewhere. Oh, I found it. Ready! Ready! Okay.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's so blocked. Holy cow.
Figured that when the dryer was moved, we could blow the lint out, and we came out, Lincoln came out, and nothing was coming out. And we were like, you know what, let's just try one more time. Maybe there's a blockage. And that came flying out. So that came flying out, and we just knew there was more. And yeah, there was more. Well, maybe I can go, oh my gosh. Do you want me to go turn the blower on again?
Yeah.
And see? Okay.
Oh!
It's been a couple hours. We've got a lot. I mean, look at all of that. And it completely, we could tell that we got the plug out because once I turned the blower on and let it blow for a little bit, it shot all of this out. So I think we've got it all because it was blowing. You could feel it blowing.
Oh, yeah. You could actually, before I could never feel the air coming to me. And now it was like tons of air. So
yeah, it took a little longer than we thought. We had to go to the store to get some things. I think it's time we go get the washer and dryer in. Ah, I've been looking for you.
Put that on fail.
Was that on flippin' blow? Oh! I am not over that. That is, oh gosh, that is so disgusting. I feel traumatized.
It was funny.
No, that was so gross. Okay. We're working with a clean slate now. We got all of this cleaned up. Nothing a little Ajax couldn't handle. So we're ready for the new washer and dryer, actually. Let's bring the newbies in. We tested out the dryer. It is working. It's in, ready to go. We took a little recess for some Mexican food. And now we're almost done getting the washer in, so almost there. I think these guys look like they are right at home. They fit perfectly. I measured twice before we ordered them, believe me. But you can't just look pretty, you have to work. So let's see if they work. Kids are running across the street to borrow some detergent from the neighbor because I used all my mom's when I was here, and I knew I was gonna replace it. I was never gonna leave her high and dry. Look how many towels we have to wash because we used all of these when setting up. So we're gonna wash these as soon as I come home with detergent. Yep. Yeah, let me see. Yeah. I said I need one up for one load. One load. All right. I mean, that's fine. Ooh, it's a group affair. Thank you, kids. I mean, that might be, man, I don't know.
those were dirty. They need it.
Okay, I'll show you. Group affair. Okay, let me show you. It does smell really good. Okay, what I usually use on mine is I always wash on cold. I always do autofill extra rinse. However, we would like to go home at a good time tonight, so we're just gonna do autofill. I usually have heavy duty, but we'll do normal eco. Okay, and then start. Here's what I actually like. They have very basic settings. I didn't need all of the like fancy things because when I did have those on old machines, I never used them. Anyway, so I really like that these are really basic. They do have a model that's specifically made for like pet hair. So if you have dogs, animals, cats, whatever, they have a similar machine but specifically for animals that I'll put in the description for you. Just checking it out, just looking. Oh, I hope they love them. Okay, you guys, please don't fight. First load is done being washed. Oh. Okay, her old washing machine truly needed replaced. They looked nice on the outside. The innards were not cutting it anymore. This smells so perfect.
It was good chips.
And these towels kind of smelled like, oh, their towels are kind of old. We should probably throw them away. Okay, Bossy, please go out. We should probably throw them away. No. And this, this rag is so old. And it smells brand new. And I was going to throw it away, but I just didn't want to throw my mom's things away. And because I would wash them, and they would just still smell sour when I was done washing them with her machine. And these don't smell sour at all. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Leave the lid up when you're done so that it can air out.
And not get bacteria.
Let's see. Regular. I like heavy duty on the dryer. Tumble, dry, extend, tumble, and auto sensing. That's what I do. I'm so happy. I'm so proud that these are in. These have been a long time coming. I'm so thrilled. I hope my mom loves them as much as I seriously love them. I'm just tickled. Oh, I'm just so happy. I hope she loves them. She's gonna love them. There's no question in my mind. She's gonna love them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.